Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted that perfect, effortless, no makeup look that still feels polished and glamorous, you're in the right place. Today I'm showing you how to create a barely there, natural glam look that's perfect for any occasion. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure your skin is prepped and moisturized. I'm using a lightweight moisturizer and sunscreen because healthy skin is the key to any great makeup look. Next, I'm applying a lightweight primer to smooth out my skin and create a good base. For this look, I'm using something that gives a bit of hydration while blurring imperfections. A natural glow is what we're going for. For foundation, we're going to keep it light and fresh. I'm using a tinted moisturizer with SPF. It evens out my skin tone but still lets my skin shine through. Apply it using a damp makeup sponge for a dewy, seamless finish. Next, let's brighten up the under eye area with a creamy concealer. I like to go for a shade that's a little lighter than my skin tone to give a soft, lifted look. Just apply it under your eyes, around the nose, and any blemishes you want to cover, then blend it all in. Now, let's set everything with a light dusting of translucent powder. You don't need much, just focus on areas where you tend to get oily, like the T-zone. This will help lock everything in without making your skin look cakey. Brows are next, and we're going for a natural soft look. Using a brow pencil, lightly fill in the sparse areas and follow your natural brow shape. You want them to look defined but not too harsh. A brow gel helps set them in place. For the eyes, we're keeping it simple. I'm using a soft, neutral eyeshadow shade all over the lid. This is going to add just a little definition and warmth to my eyes without looking like I'm wearing too much. Blend it out with your fingers or a fluffy brush for a seamless finish. Now let's give our lashes some love. I'm using a lengthening mascara to open up the eyes. Apply 1 or 2 coats for a natural but fluttery look. No need to go overboard, just a little boost to make your eyes pop. Next, I'm using a cream blush for a fresh, dewy finish. Cream blushes are perfect for this look because they blend effortlessly into the skin and give you a natural flush. Smile and apply it to the apples of your cheeks, then blend it up into your temples. For the lips, I'm going with a nude lip tint or balm. This keeps everything fresh and easy. It's moisturizing, lightweight, and gives just the right amount of color to finish off the look. To finish, I'm going to lock everything in with a setting spray. This ensures my makeup stays put all day, while keeping the skin looking fresh and hydrated. And there you have it, a barely there, effortless natural glam look that you can wear every day. It's fresh, glowing, and so easy to recreate. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tutorials. See you next time.